Heavy rain that fell overnight caused flooding in several areas of Surabaya, Indonesia. One of them is located in the Kucisari district. As a result of the flood, a large number of motorcycles and several cars were also drowned. Judging by the monitoring, the intensity of the rain is quite long. It was raining intensely and for a long time in Kucisari. The rain continued to pour, then subsided, then poured again, one after another. Local residents report that flooding is not the first time in their areas, but they have not seen such heavy rain for a long time. Many of them were forced to leave their homes and seek refuge in safer places. Rescue workers and local authorities have already begun to carry out work to eliminate the consequences of the flood. Local authorities are constantly working to improve infrastructure and means of protecting the population from natural disasters.